scientist, Professor James Marcus. Marcus had a young daughter, Alicia, afflicted with progeria, progressive, fatal wasting disease. Progeria caused premature aging. By the time she was 25, Alicia would have the body of a 90-year-old. Marcus was driven to save her. The odds seemed impossible. Even as he worked desperately to create a cure, the young girl's father would record his daughter, her voice, her likeness, saving her for posterity. Then the breakthrough came. Marcus discovered a T-virus. Once injected, it would detect and repair damaged cells within the body. It was a miracle. The life of Alicia Marcus was saved. The T-virus had a myriad of applications, treating 1,000 different diseases. Overnight, it seemed a new era was dawning. A world without the fear of infection, sickness, or decay. But it was not. The T-virus had certain unforeseen side effects.